Hello everyone. So today will be a day in the life. I'm sorry if my face could not be seen in the camera. Anyway, I'm here alone driving my sister's car. I'm very close to being late, by the way. So we are cutting it close. My class starts at 9, it's 8:58. Okay, we're here. Let's go. Hi guys, I'm back. I'm heading back to my house. It's current have plans today with my sisters. We're going out to the mall. La 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 la. So far, my day has been really okay. I feel very productive and motivated, so yeah. Very tempting. Hello everyone, me and Leo chilling here in the car because my sisters are at the dermatologist at the moment and I'm stuck here in the car because pets are not allowed. I'm not a pet, but I just didn't need to go to the dermatologist. Anyway, I just want to show you guys what I got at the mall today. I got this lipstick from Innisfree for 13 bucks. And when I was swatching it, it looked really good. But now looking at it on my lips, it does not look good. I also got this Muji notebook set. They have a special promo at the moment where they give you a 10% discount if you're a teacher or a student. So I'm back at my house. I just wanted to show you guys what I got at the dollar store. First thing is this like ribbon. It's because I have been selling stuff on Depop and I wanted to feel official by putting some like decorations, I guess. I also got athletic tape because I recently I don't know, hurt my calf muscle from tennis. So yeah. And finally I got these mailer envelopes. Hopefully they get to be sent out still because I don't know if they do. Since I am on a budget and I'm not really selling professionally as a business. But for now, I think right now is okay. I sold my first item recently, so I'm very happy with that. Anyway, that marks the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. I was gonna say thumb up, but I hope you guys subscribe. I haven't said that in a very long time, but feel free to subscribe if you want. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you all keep growing. Bye!